Chinese EV maker XPeng Motor is developing a robotaxi service with a pilot program launched in 2022, and company aims to launch a highly competitive robotaxi by 2026. The company is using an XNGP known as XPeng Navigation Guide Pilot Technology, which is an advanced driver assistance system, to expand their empire in other countries. For the operational aspect for robotaxi service, company aims to partner with other companies. XPeng robotaxi fleet will include its G9 SUV, became China's first mass-produced commercial vehicle to pass the government-led autonomous driving closed-field test. In November 2022, XPeng G9 became the world's first mass-produced vehicle in the industry to achieve autonomous driving capability without hardware modification but through the software upgrade. G9 autonomous driving road test vehicle utilized the same hardware suite as G9 commercial vehicle, including sensor for perception, computing, and vehicle control systems.